Current trends on Internet. In this video, we are going to see about current trends on Internet. Smartphone usage to access the Internet is still on the increase. Tablet usage is exploding, that is faster than uptake on PCs ever. Majority 97% of mobile OSs are either iOS, Android or Windows Mobile. Video and image sharing is on the rise. 1.8 images a day shared. Take a look at the following comparison, which features a deep dive into the online landscape in 2002 and 2012. Internet users, Internet usage, total websites, web browsers, speeds, page loading time. Languages. In this video, we are going to learn about languages. Here is the list of 10 most common languages that are used to create web pages. HTML, which is used to apply content to a website such as text and images. CSS, which is used to add color and layout to website. JavaScript, which is used to add special effects to a website such as animation or hover effects. RSS, which is used to create subscribe feeds, commonly used for blogs but also used for websites that update content often. Perl, PHP, Java, ASP, C#, VB.NET. Internet phone. In this video, we are going to see about Internet phone. The iPhone is an Internet and multimedia-enabled smartphone designed and marketed by Apple Incorporation. The iPhone functions as a camera phone including text messages and visual voicemail, a portable media player equivalent to a video iPod, and an internet client with email, web browsing and Wi-Fi connectivity using the phone's multi-touch screen to render a virtual keyboard in lieu of a physical keyboard. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) is a general term for a family of transmission technologies for delivery of voice communications over IP networks such as the Internet or other packet-switched networks. IP telephony, Internet telephony, Voice over Broadband (VoBB), broadband telephony, broadband phone, or some frequently encountered terms and synonymous with VoIP. Internet telephony refers to communication services like voice, email, that is fax, voice messaging applications that are transported via the Internet rather than the public switches telephone network PSTN. Working of VoIP. When user places a call, their computer or VoIP device converts their voice signal to digital packets. Those packets travel through the Internet until they reach the final destination. At last, the digital packets converts back to their voice signals. During scenario 2 and 3, these processes takes place. The call originates or passes via a VoIP provider's server, also known as soft switch. Once the provider bypasses the call is sent to another provider who receives the call through Internet and then terminates or delivers it to the desired destination number. The following 3 methods of connections are shown in figures. PC to PC, PC to phone, VoIP device to phone calls. VoIP requirements. To make VoIP call, user need Internet, VoIP software, VoIP service provider. Internet network VoIP works with many types of Internet access such as dial-up, broadband DSL or ADSL and cable Internet, Wi-Fi, VoIP software and/or hardware, A software application known as a soft phone is a dialer that you download on your computer or laptop. Whenever you make computer-based phone calls, you're running a VoIP soft phone application, Skype for instance. By hardware, we mean any VoIP hardphone equipment such as VoIP analog telephone adapter, VoIP gateway, IP phone, and many other types. Check VoIP devices link for some list of VoIP hardware. VoIP service provider. A VoIP provider, also known as Internet Phone Company, and ITSP, that is Internet Telephony Service Provider, is a company that provides VoIP phone services and solutions similar to your local telecom companies. But they use VoIP technology to transmit our data, voice and video packets, whereas traditional companies use PSTN lines. Benefits of VoIP are: operational cost. VoIP can be beneficial for reducing communication and infrastructure costs. For example, routing phone calls over existing data networks to avoid the need for separate voice and data networks. Flexibility. VoIP can facilitate tasks and provide services that may be more difficult to implement using the PSTN. For example, the ability to transmit more than one telephone call over same broadband connection. This can make VoIP a simple way to add an extra telephone line to a home or office. Internet video. In this video, we are going to see about Internet video. Internet video is the general field that deals with the transmission of video over the Internet. Video clips or short clips of video, usually a part of longer piece. There are various websites which allow the users to watch various videos related to all subjects throughout the world. Example: youtube.com, veoh.com, internetvideomg.com, etc. User can even download and upload personal videos on such video sites. About YouTube. Probably the largest internet video phenomenon is YouTube, that is www.youtube.com. It's a site like Google which owns YouTube, but rather than an internet search engine for information at large, it's only for videos. YouTube user can find everything from Saturday Night Live clips to previews for upcoming movies to strange homemade Lego flicks. According to the New York Times, people post more than 100 million videos on YouTube every day, 48 hours of video uploaded every minute, with over 3 billion video views every day. Collaborative computing. In this video, we are going to see about collaborative computing. Collaborative computing is the term that will replace the traditional idea of groupware. Groupware as focuses on the asynchronous aspect of human collaboration. Email, discussion list, list servers, and similar software products help people to electronically exchange information. In other words, these products electronically extend a letter, a fax, and a filing cabinet. Collaborative computing is the term describing a variety of activities where people interact with one another using desktops, laptops, palm tops, and sophisticated digital cellular phones. As computers are best at handling data and representing information, person-to-person communication is enriched by an ability to share, modify, or collaboratively create data and information. E-commerce. In this video, we are going to see about e-commerce. E-commerce is a set of integrated software components that provides a solution for business to sell goods and services through an electronic catalog on the internet. E-commerce is ideal for both business-to-business and business-to-consumer applications and integrates easily with companies' existing business systems to protect their IT investments. E-commerce extends beyond buying and selling to streamlining the entire operations of an organization. It enables a faster penetration into the market to turn around investments quickly for lowering costs. It enables strengthening of relationships with customers and partners by marketing, sales, customer support staff, and enables better communication with suppliers. E-commerce allocation in business. The three major classes of business expected with e-commerce applications are business-to-business applications, business-to-consumer applications, consumer-to-consumer applications. Business-to-business applications. This includes wholesaling, where businesses sell goods and services to other businesses on the web. With internet-based supply chain trading, businesses work closely to streamline the supply of goods for production and distribution and improve productivity. Business-to-consumer applications. In business-to-consumer commerce, companies market physical goods to consumers online in a more personalized dynamic environment. This includes the delivery of digital goods, software, electronic media, and information. Consumer-to-consumer applications. In consumer-to-consumer applications, the seller may sell his service or goods by providing its information on the net. This information may be evaluated by a buyer to carry out a transaction. Some advantages of e-commerce are global visibility of the organization, communication with collaborators, the shortest and the most cost-effective fulfillment time, delivering the right products and services to the customer, improvement in supplier relationships, low procurement costs, integrated quality and cost management, efficient warehouse management,